forgot to tell you that the birds that Chef Alessandro catch is albatross. Albatross. Yeah. And we'll be walking from here all the way to the grocery. It's a good walk. What I'm going to buy today is something for sandwich. Yeah, it's going to be a cheese and ham. What else? Of course, the white bread. You know, the wind is really cold. Yeah, we're just going to the grocery and we buy something. Oh, wait, the first thing that we're going to take is this tomato. This $3.90 and just 2 pieces of potato. It's $3.50 per kilo. This one, this is $2.30. White bread. And we're going to take one of this cheese. This $6 for sandwich. We're also going to take one of this double smoked ham. Wow, this is expensive. Look at that, $3.25. It's alright. Yeah, you'll notice that they are back in stock. A lot of napkin now. Tissue paper. I noticed that they rearranged the setup of everything. This is not the same place like this. Before it was on the other side. Yeah, and now it is here. Yeah, we have nothing to buy in here. Cake mixer. Cake mix. I'm not going to buy something from here. And I'm going to take this out. No, this is small. This one. How much is this? Oh, this is $2.99. I'm looking for corned beef. There is none. All of these are fish. Yeah, these are beans. Where are the corned beef? Nothing in here. We're going to take this one. Creamy chicken. We're going to take 2 packets. This is just $2. Yeah, but where are the corned beefs? Because I bought this potato for the corned beef. But there is none. Oh, here. You know, there are many people here, but no one wears a mask. Yeah, also I forgot the mask. It's in the house. I thought I am wearing the, you know, the one that I have in my neck. That is also a mask. I forgot also that one. I thought I am wearing that one. That's why, yeah, I don't have mask. I'm going to take one of these. Just one. This is $2. 40% off. Nice. Oh, and you know, they are still selling this thing in here. It's expensive. These are movies. Yeah, $28, but this time this is just 20. Yeah, all these movies. Nice. Yeah, almost everything is fit in my backpack, but I still have this one. Thank you. Yo, good morning guys. It is cold. Temperature, as you can see, it's maybe around 12 or yeah, it is already 10 o'clock. I just keep on coming back to my room because it's cold. Yeah, I already had a coffee this morning. Yeah, I'm going to have another one. You know, life is easier these days. Oh, sorry. Okay, we wait for that. You know, life is easier in the modern world. When today, I remember before when I was very young, my parents, we are boiling hot water using the wood. Yeah, fire the wood, and it takes time, maybe 30 minutes until we get the boiling water for the coffee, you know. And the coffee is the normal, the same like what we have now. Yeah, but it really takes time. But compared to this is just less than 3 minutes. Very quick, very easy. Yeah, good. I believe some people are still doing the same like what I've experienced before when I was young. It is like that outside. There was a rain yesterday, I mean last night, also this morning. But you notice that the sun is showing on that area. Yeah, it is wet outside. And I have this. This is a heater. Yeah, but you know, it consumes a lot of electricity. And I don't want my landlord to pay so much electricity bill. Yeah, that's why I will be using it just to warm the room and then switch it off when it's warm already. There is a bird. I don't know what kind of bird is that. It will fly away. You know, this temperature really makes me lazy. I need to take shower.